Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are reporting live from Walgreens. Your eyes are not deceiving you. I have not done a video at Walgreens in forever, even though I have been doing some lightweight deals at Walgreens. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I did go do that Charmin, I think last week or the week before, because that was a really good deal. And then I asked you guys yesterday, I said, where are y'all shopping this week? And a lot of you guys said Walgreens. So that made me check the Walgreens deals out to see what was going on. And there is a lot of good activity this week at Walgreens. Specifically this week, what I was interested in is we got some laundry detergent deals. The P&G Spend 20 Get 5 is fire. And we have some really good oral care deals, which oral care has been a little sparse lately. So I definitely wanted to come here and grab the free plus moneymaker oral care. So what I was interested in to get started with, because I needed to get myself some register rewards, because y'all know I don't be keeping register rewards, is the buy two get back four in register rewards on oral care. So I decided to get two of the $3 Crest mouth rinse because that seemed like the best deal to me. The little baby bottles are only $3 and they're included in the buy two get four. And we have $4 in digital coupons. So I did rinse and repeat that deal a couple times so that I could get these $4 register rewards that we will use in our Tide deal that I'm going to show you in just a second. So that is a nice $4 moneymaker on these 4 bottles to get started. And the reason I wanted to start with those buy deals on the oral care first also is because I can use Walgreens cash with those. The next deal that I'm about to do is going to be a spend deal, so I won't be able to use my Walgreens cash, but I can use register rewards, manufacturer coupons. So that's why I wanted to start with that, use a little of the Walgreens money so that now I can use that to help me pay down my out-of-pocket cost. So this deal right here, this Spend 20 Get back 5 on P&G products is what I'm interested in doing. It is good on Tide, Bounty, Always, Dawn, Mr. Clean, Cascade, Febreze, and Olay. Now I'm going to double it up with this deal on the Tide that we have that is also buy 4, get back 5. So I'm going to pick up 4 of the Tide detergent down here for $5.49. That's going to total me up to $21.96. 4 of those, we do have a total of $3, or at least I have $3 in digital coupons. I have a 2 and a 1. That'll bring me down to $18.96. Then I'm going to get back 2 $5 register rewards. So I'll get back $5 for spending 20, and I'll get back $5 for buying 4. So that'll bring my final cost for 4 bottles of Tide down to just $8.96. So this is going to be my next transaction. I am adding in a little baby Dawn. These little baby Dawns are $1.24. Now the reason I'm adding this in is because I have a Spend 22 get back $7 point booster. So because I want to spend $22, this Dawn is going to push us to that $22 mark. So after my $3 in digital coupons for the Tide, that would bring me down to $20 out of pocket. And then I should get back the $10 in register rewards and the $7 for my point booster. So that's $17 back. After spending the $20, it would make all 5 of these items just $3. Now I'm gonna roll in these 2 $4 register rewards that I got from the oral care deals to help pay that $20 cost. So I should only pay $12 at the register, then get back the $17. These register rewards will not interfere with the amount that I have to spend because they count as cash since they are manufacturer coupons. So let's go up and check out with this deal and see how it goes. All right, you guys, that worked out perfectly. So we got the 4 Tide over there. Everything scanned out properly. Everything came off. The 2 $4 register rewards plus the $3 in digital coupons. And then I earned back the $7 for my point booster. I got back the $10 in register rewards, making our final cost for that just $3.20. So we made $4 with our oral care. We just spent out $3.20. Hold on, can I get that to focus? $3.20 on our Tide. We are still up in the free zone with getting those 4 Tides. So now I want to do another deal that I saw the beautiful Michelle post, My Own Identity, on some Dawn. So now I want to do this deal on the Dawn Powerwash. So I saw Michelle post this deal. It came up on my timeline and I was like, yes, yes, y'all. So these are also included in the spend 20 get back $5 register reward and on select fetch accounts, not all, because my main account does not have it, but I checked Matt's phone and it does have it. And with this fetch deal, if you pick up the lemon scent, you will have to correct your receipt. The regular scent picked up automatically for me, but that lemon scent I did have to correct. We'll have a $2 or a $3 fetch point offer with a limit of like 3 or 4. Now I only have $2 back, but I still think it's going to be a really good situation to get stocked up on Dawn. This store only has 3 of them, so that's not going to quite be $20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up 3 of them, and then I'm also going to get another bottle of Tide to push me over 20. So these 4 should total up to $20.46. Using a $2 digital coupon here and then no coupons on the Dawn, that would bring you down to $18.46. Then you'd get back the $5 register reward for spending 20. That would bring you down to $13.46. And then of course you can submit over for the $6 on fetch if you have that. That'll make the final cost for these 4 items just $7.46. That makes these just $186 each, which I think is a stock up price in my opinion. So I'm going to go ahead and run that and we're going to see how this deal works out. So since I have this $10 in register rewards from my previous transaction, this should reduce my out-of-pocket cost and bring it down to just $8.46 plus tax at the register. Okay, so here is a close-up of my receipt for that transaction. I got the 2 Dawn Fresh scent, the 1 lemon scent, and then I also got the Tide. My 2 register rewards scanned fine. The $2 digital came off, and then that left my subtotal at $8.46. And then I had to come home and get Matt's phone and scan in that receipt on fetch. And with that, once again, I did have to correct my receipt because it only gave me back 4,000 points back, but I think it'll be fine because there was no scent exclusion on the fetch rewards offer. But do keep that in mind that the fresh scent is the only one that triggered automatically, but I had to get some of that lemon. I would have got all lemon if they had have had it, but that worked out beautifully for this transaction. So final cost for this little Walgreens haul, we got 14 items, is a total cost of just $7. That makes it about 50 cents per item. For Dawn and Tide, I will take that. Even for the little crest, I'll take that. So 50 cents each. Yes, yes, y'all, we winning. So I hope you're having a beautiful, blessed 4th. I'm about to go on ahead and go back home. This was the easiest coupon and I think I've done all week. In and out, easy, easy peasy. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.